Hey guys, I hope you're having a great day so far. So I wanted to make a short video outlining some of the benefits that you can expect to see with the regular use of the foam roller, as well as demonstrating at the end of this video how to correctly use a foam roller. So for those of you unfamiliar, a foam roller is a lightweight cylindrical tube of compressed foam, and it can be used to increase your flexibility and range of motion, stimulate your muscles before a workout so they are warm and ready to go. And it can also release muscle tension and reduce muscle soreness. So it can result in a faster recovery. So this is a really nifty, great tool. It's relatively inexpensive. You can find it at Target, Walmart, Academy, Dick's, etc. And expect to pay anywhere from $20 to $40 for a high quality one. But this is to be used with your muscle groups only, so you want to target your glutes, your hamstrings, quads, traps, lats, shoulders, calves, and you want to avoid your joints and tendons, ligaments, because it's designed for the release of tension in your muscles, not those other areas. My recommendation is using a foam roller before and after your workouts for 30 seconds, or about 30 seconds on each of those muscle areas that I previously named off. And if you are experiencing a lot of muscle tension or stress in a particular muscle group, then you can also use it whenever you feel that tension. But that's my recommendation, and next I will be demonstrating how to correctly use a foam roller. So please stay tuned if you are interested in seeing that. Thanks guys!